We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the VOLTRX Protein Shaker bottle, the Merger USB-C Rechargeable Electric Protein Shake Mixer. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The VOLTRX Protein Shaker bottle has made a significant impact on the fitness and nutrition community, offering a unique blend of technology and convenience for anyone who regularly consumes protein shakes or meal replacement drinks. This electric shaker bottle is designed for those who value efficiency, portability, and a lump-free mixing experience, and the collective feedback from users paints a comprehensive picture of its strengths and weaknesses. The standout feature of the VOLTRX shaker is its powerful blending motor, which uses a patented design to deliver smooth, lump-free shakes in just 15 seconds. Users consistently praise the Vortex mixing action, noting that it dissolves protein powders and even thicker supplements like casein or meal replacements with remarkable ease. The unique mixing blade design eliminates the need for traditional blender balls or metal blades, reducing the number of parts that require cleaning and minimizing the risk of losing components. This simplicity is a game changer for many as it streamlines the entire process from mixing to cleanup. Build quality is another area where the VOLTRX shaker excels. The bottle is constructed from BPA-free polypropylene, which feels premium and durable in hand. Many users report that it withstands the rigors of daily use, including being tossed into gym bags, dropped on hard surfaces, and run through dishwashers, all without showing signs of wear or retaining odors. The leak-proof design is frequently highlighted as a major advantage, providing peace of mind for those who carry their shakes to work, the gym, or on the go. The detachable parts make cleaning straightforward, and the bottle's dishwasher-safe nature adds to its practicality. Battery life is a critical consideration for any rechargeable device, and the VOLTRX shaker does not disappoint. According to user feedback, a single charge can provide up to 120 uses, making it highly convenient for daily routines. Some users have reported using the bottle for several months without needing to recharge, while others note that the battery starts to fade after a week of heavy use. The USB-C charging port is a modern touch, ensuring compatibility with most charging cables and devices. The included charging cable is appreciated, and the charging process is described as quick and hassle-free. In terms of capacity, the VOLTRX shaker holds up to 24 ounces, which is sufficient for most protein shake recipes, and allows for mixing up to 3 scoops of powder with 450 milliliters of liquid. Its compact size ensures it fits easily in gym bags, backpacks, and most cup holders, making it a versatile companion for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, and busy professionals alike. The bottle's round shape and ergonomic design contribute to a comfortable grip, and its overall aesthetic is sleek and modern. Eco-friendliness is an increasingly important factor for consumers, and the VOLTRX bottle addresses this by using sustainable production methods and materials. The BPA-free construction not only ensures safety, but also reflects a commitment to environmental responsibility. Users who prioritize eco-friendly products appreciate this aspect, and the company's customer service is frequently described as responsive and helpful. Several reviewers recount positive experiences with warranty claims and replacements, noting that VOLTRX stands behind its products and resolves issues promptly. Performance is where the VOLTRX shaker truly shines. Users consistently report that it produces creamy, lump-free shakes with minimal effort. The mixing process is fast and efficient, and the absence of blender balls or blades means there are fewer parts to clean. The Vortex action is effective for most protein powders, pre-workout supplements, and meal replacement drinks. However, it is important to note that the VOLTRX shaker is a mixer, not a blender. It does not have metal blades and is not designed to blend solid ingredients, chop fruit, or crush ice. Attempts to mix items like bananas or peanut butter result in less satisfactory outcomes, with some users describing the results as chunky. For best results, users recommend adding liquid first, then powder, and avoiding the use of ice or solid ingredients unless they are already thinned or blended elsewhere. Cleaning the VOLTRX shaker is frequently described as easy and convenient. The detachable base allows users to separate the battery compartment from the cup, making it simple to rinse and wipe down each part. The bottle does not retain odors, and the smooth interior surface prevents powder from sticking. For optimal results, users recommend cleaning the bottle soon after use, but even dried-on residue can be removed with hot soapy water and a soft brush. The cup is dishwasher safe, which further simplifies maintenance. Despite its many strengths, the VOLTRX Shaker is not without its drawbacks. Some users report that the bottle appears flimsy at first glance, though it generally proves to be durable in practice. There are occasional reports of the base failing to take a charge after several months of use, but these issues are typically resolved quickly through the company's warranty program. The mixing cycle is relatively short, likely to preserve battery life, so users may need to run multiple cycles for thicker shakes. Additionally, the bottle is not intended for blending whole fruits or hard ingredients, so users seeking a true blender experience may be disappointed. Another consideration is the need to remember that the battery is housed in the base. When cleaning, it is important to unscrew the base and avoid submerging the battery compartment in water. This is a common feature among electric shakers, but first-time users should be aware to prevent accidental damage. The instructions provided are generally clear, and most users adapt quickly to the cleaning process. The VOLTRX Shaker's portability and convenience are major selling points. Users appreciate being able to prepare shakes at home, at work, or at the gym without the need for bulky blenders or manual shaking. The leak-proof design ensures that the bottle can be carried in bags without fear of spills, and the long battery life means it is always ready when needed. The ability to mix drinks quickly and efficiently motivates many users to stick to their nutrition and fitness routines, as the process becomes less of a chore and more of a pleasure. Customer service is another area where VOLTRX receives high marks. Users who have encountered issues with their bottles report prompt and courteous responses from the company, with replacements or refunds offered even beyond the standard return window. This level of support builds trust and loyalty among customers, and many reviewers state that they would recommend the product to friends and family based on their positive experiences. The overall impression of the VOLTRX Protein Shaker bottle is overwhelmingly positive. It is praised for its innovative design, powerful mixing performance, ease of cleaning, and durable construction. The bottle's eco-friendly materials and sustainable production methods appeal to environmentally conscious consumers, while its compact size and long battery life make it a practical choice for anyone with an active lifestyle. The main limitations are its inability to blend solid ingredients or crush ice, and the occasional reports of battery issues, but these are outweighed by the many benefits and the company's strong customer support. In summary, the VOLTRX Protein Shaker bottle stands out as a top choice for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use electric shaker for protein shakes and meal replacements. Its combination of powerful vortex mixing, leak-proof construction, long battery life, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any fitness or nutrition regimen. If you are looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy smooth, lump-free shakes on the go, the VOLTRX Shaker is highly recommended. Don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more and support the channel. And if you have used this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed choice.